Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on problem solving. Guess the answer. In this video we will see some problems where we can solve them by guessing the answer. Example 1. Find two numbers whose sum is 11 and whose difference is 7. Solution. Let's try the first guess. The numbers are 7 and 4. Check. 7 plus 4 is 11. That's what the problem is asking. 7 take away 4 is 3. That is not what the problem is asking. The second guess. 8 and 3. Check. 8 plus 3 is 11. That's what the problem's asking. 8 take away 3 is 5. That's not what the problem wants. Third guess. 9 and 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 take away 2 is 7. That's exactly what the problem is asking, so the third guess is correct, so the two numbers are 9 and 2. Example 2. Find two numbers whose product is 24 and whose difference is 2. Solution. First guess. 12 and 2. 12 twos are 24, that's what the problem's asking. 12 take away 2 is 10. That's not what the problem is asking because the difference has to be 2. Second guess, 8 and 3. 8 threes are 24. 8 take away 3 is 5. That's not what the problem's asking. Third guess, 6 and 4. 6 fours are 24. 6 take away 4 is 2. That is exactly what the problem wants. So the third guess is correct. So the two numbers are 6 and 4. Example 3. Find three consecutive whole numbers that add up to 36. Solution. The first guess, 8, 9 and 10. 8 plus 9 plus 10 is 27. That's not what the problem's asking because the numbers have to add up to 36. Second guess, 9, 10 and 11. 9 plus 10 plus 11 is 30. That's not what the problem's asking. The third guess, 10, 11 and 12. If we check, 10 plus 11 plus 12 is 33. That's not what the problem's asking. Fourth guess, 11, 12 and 13. When we add those together we get 36, and that is exactly what the problem's asking. So the fourth guess is correct, and the three numbers are 11, 12 and 13. A farmer has hens and pigs in his yard. Altogether he has 8 of these animals, and the total number of legs is 26. How many of each animal does the farmer have in his yard? The first guess. Let's guess 6 pigs and 2 hens. Check. The total animal 6 plus 2 is 8. That's correct because that's what the problem's asking for. The total legs. Now, the pigs have 4 legs, so 6 fours, that gives you 24 for the pigs. The hens have 2 legs, so 2 twos are 4. That's 28 legs in total. That's not what the problem wants. The second guess, 5 pigs and 3 hens. The total animals are 5 plus 3 is 8. That's exactly what the problem wants. For the total legs, 5 fours are 20, 3 twos are 6, 26 for the total legs. That is correct. So the farmer has 5 pigs and 3 hens. Example 5. Tom is 5 years older than Sue, and Sue is 3 years older than Ben. The sum of their ages is 23. How old is each child? Now it's obvious that Ben is the youngest. Sue is 3 years older. Tom is 5 years older than Sue. So these three numbers will be our first three guesses. That guess and that and that. When we add them together we get 14. That's not what the problem's asking. The second guess, let Ben equal 2. Sue is 5 and Tom is 10. When you add those together you get 17. That's not what the problem wants. The third guess, Ben is 3. Sue is 6 and Tom is 11. When you add those up you get 20. That's not what the problem is asking. The fourth guess, Ben is 4. Sue 7. Tom is 12. When you add those up, you get 23, and that's what the problem is asking. So Ben is 4, Sue is 7, and Tom is 12.